Today it's Friday, October the 26th. This is our second video for ENBRIDGE. This is the unit PMCE 3ACE 1776, and we've recreated similar filling conditions under RMA 18099, where we have 480 motor, 480 volts AC motor. We have the unit. We have 480 applied on all lines, and the unit is enabled. The unit is ready to fire. The SIG high, the command, it's at a 0, and under these particular conditions, the motor is not spinning. The current out of the unit is 0.3 amps on the first on T1, 0.31 and 0.2. That's on the AC output. On the line, it's essentially the same. Okay, here we have the 476. I can come here, measure 476, and I can come here and measure 476. I'm going to borrow this to check the output, and I should have again the 36 volts that we saw yesterday. Very little voltage, 35 and 36. That was what we recorded yesterday, which was basically the output that we had on the little spikes when we had the oscilloscope going. Alright, but again, control, AC controller, well, power input is 120 there. The 120 is here somewhere, right here. There's a 120. The boards are on. The unit is enabled. The SIG command is at 10. There's no output, so everything looks good. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask Tony to start slowly increasing SIG high, and then we'll have the motor running. You can see the motor spinning. 5. All right. 5, can stop at 7, Tony, just arbitrarily, that's fine. So I have 5.5 amps, 5.46, and 6.17. Alright, so they are pretty well. Let's go ahead and bring it all the way to 10, Tony. So again, now we're running in steady state. The current is 5.6, 5.52, and 6. The unit is working fine. There's no issues here, and again, there's nothing that we've done to this unit yet except for take data. Now the last thing that we're going to do here, we check that based on the value of R5 for the CTR CT-2, we're getting the corresponding feedback. However, on the zeros that we reported on the voltage feedback coming from the PR324, we're going to look at that board and determine what's wrong with it to bring back that voltage feedback to 1 volt when we have full output voltage of 480. But even with that not being there, the unit it's controlling for 480 volts model. This is it.